Welcome back to the Dollar Mint Old Coin. What if I told you that a small Italian coin from 1978, the famous 50 lire, has been talked about online with shocking price claims reaching hundreds of millions of dollars? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the truth: some coins become extremely valuable because of rare errors, special mint conditions, or collector demand. And today, we're diving deep into the history, design, secrets, and real collector value of the 1978 Italy 50 lire coin. So before you spend or ignore that old foreign coin, watch this video till the end because one tiny detail could change everything. History of the 50 lire. The Italian 50 lire coin is one of the most iconic coins from modern European history. Introduced after World War II, Italy needed new currency designs that symbolized growth, industry, and national pride. By the 1970s, including the year 1978, Italy was going through economic changes, modernization, and strong industrial expansion. Coins like the 50 lire became part of daily life, used for transportation, groceries, coffee, and public services. Millions of these coins were produced, which is why most examples today are common. But, as every serious collector knows, sometimes a common coin hides a rare treasure. Design details. Let's talk about the design because collectors pay attention to every single detail. On the obverse side you'll find the emblem of the Italian Republic. The clean, modern look represents democracy and national unity. On the reverse side you see the number 50, along with the year 1978, and elegant agricultural imagery symbolizing Italy's hard-working culture and economic growth. The coin is made from stainless steel, lightweight, durable, and resistant to corrosion. Its simple but powerful design is one reason collectors still admire it today. Minting and production. Most 1978 50 lire coins were minted in Rome at the Italian State Mint. Because millions were produced, normal circulated coins are generally inexpensive today, often worth only a small amount. But here's where things get interesting. Coins struck with mint errors, misaligned dies, double strikes, or uncirculated mint condition can attract serious collector attention. And that's where rumors of massive values often begin. Viral value claims versus reality. Across the internet you may have seen headlines claiming the 1978 50 lire coin is worth hundreds of millions of dollars. Let's be real for a moment. Most standard examples are worth between a few cents to a few dollars depending on condition. However, rare collector versions can sell for much higher prices, especially perfect uncirculated coins, certified high-grade examples. Unique minting errors, special proof versions. The real secret is not the date alone, but the condition and rarity. So if you own one, don't just look at the year, examine the details closely. What to check on your coin? Here's what collectors recommend checking: sharp edges and clean lettering, no heavy scratches or corrosion, strong design details, unusual mint errors or off-center strikes, bright original luster. If your coin looks almost brand new, it might be worth professional grading. Grading companies evaluate coins on a scale, and even one small difference in condition can change the value dramatically. Why collectors love this coin? Collectors love the 50 lire because it represents a time of change in Italy. It's simple, elegant, and historically meaningful. For many collectors it's also a nostalgic piece, reminding them of travel, culture, and everyday European life before the euro replaced the lira. And sometimes, emotional value becomes just as important as financial value. Final thoughts and call to action. So, is the 1978 Italy 50 lire coin worth millions? For most coins, no. But rare examples, high grades, and mint errors can still make this small coin surprisingly valuable to collectors. And that's why checking your old coins carefully is always worth your time. Now I want to hear from you. Do you own any old Italian coins? Have you ever found a rare coin in your collection? Comment below, and if you love hidden coin treasures, rare discoveries, and collector secrets, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because your next coin might be more valuable than you think.